Kimchi. Kimchi is considered the representative food of Korea. There is no food table without kimchi, and if you can't eat without kimchi, you are Korean. What is kimchi? Kimchi is kind of fermented food. There is more than 300 kind of kimchi. Naba cabbage, green onions, radish, garlic, salt, red chili powder, sticky rice paste, and salted shrimps are the main ingredients. Some add other ingredients according to where they live or what is available, like lotus roots and oyster. In winter, family members use together to make a large amount of kimchi, and this process is called kimjang. Let's see how it's made. You can eat kimchi in many different ways. Kimchicheon, kimchi 볶음밥. There is also white kimchi. This is kakduki kimchi. And this is chonggak kimchi.